All right, so I'm over here taking care of this is my little garden I have like in front of my tent that I use, and when I need to get some basil, some tomato, cilantro, pepper, stuff like that, right? Those kind of things. But I found you got to take care of it. So the past 4 days I was a little negligent. So I have little natural remedies that I use, and I spray it on here, and then it keeps this from happening, where the bugs come and start eating on it, eating up the things here, and stopping it from growing. So 4 days it was raining a lot, and I wasn't really coming out here reapplying it after it was raining a lot, after it washed off the natural insecticides. So when I come and do that, then it starts producing more peppers and more things. So here's what I use. I take a bottle like this, and I just fill it almost to the top with water. Then I get 2 teaspoons of pure peppermint oil, and then 2 dashes of kind of really a dash of Dawn liquid soap. Two of that. Shake it up. I spray it on my items there, and it keeps the bugs off. Now, yes, when it rains, like it rained crazily, and when it did that, I needed to come back out and reapply it, and I did not. I was kind of in and out, and I wasn't paying attention, so it did get a few of my leaves, and but normally I don't have these issues at all. I use that when it's not raining too much. I also use diatomaceous earth. That's another great one. I sprinkle that on it, and it gets rid of everything. The problem is it has been raining a lot, so right now I'm not doing the DE. I'm doing this little concoction here, and it works great. Natural insecticide, and you just wash it off when you're ready to eat those things. Bye.